In this video, we will be solving exercise number 2.1 of chapter 2 in geometry. The chapter name is Pythagoras theorem. In exercise number 2.1, first question is identify whether the three numbers are Pythagorean triplet or not. In the second sum, we have one triangle MNP where angle MNP is 90 degrees. NQ is perpendicular to MP. MQ is given 9, QP is given 4. We want to find NQ. So in this sum, we will be applying property of geometric mean. NQ square is equal to MQ into QP. MQ into QP. Substitute the values. MQ 9, QP का जगह 4. 9 into 4, 36. Square will become square root of 36, which is equal to 6 units. In the third sum, we have angle QPR is equal to 90 degree, PM perpendicular to QR. QM is given 8, PM is given 10. We want to find QR. So what we will do is first find out MR. From the right angle, one perpendicular is coming. So we will apply over here theorem of geometric mean. By theorem of geometric mean, we have PM square is equal to QM into MR. QM into MR. 10 square is equal to 8 into MR. 10 square 100 is equal to 8 into MR. 100 upon 8 is equal to MR. 8 will come down below 100. If you divide this, you will get MR is equal to 12.5 units. MR you will get 12.5 units. Now we want to find QR. QR is equal to QM plus MR. QM plus MR. 8 plus 12.5. MR value we found out just now 12.5. QM value was already given, and that will become 20.5 units. In the fourth sum, we have to find out RP and PS. Angle P is given 30 degree, angle S is given 90 degree. Therefore, angle R will become 60 degree. The reason is remaining angle of the triangle. So triangle PSR becomes a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So by 30, 60, 90 theorem, by 30, 60, 90 theorem, SR is equal to half of RP. SR is equal to half of RP. Side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. SR 6, half into RP. 6 into 2 is equal to RP. RP will become 12 units. Now we want to find out PS. RP we just now found out 12 units. Now we have to find out PS. Side PS is opposite to 60 degree. And the theorem says side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 into hypotenuse. In the place of RP will come 12, and this cancellation will give you 6 root 3 units. In the fifth sum, we have to find out AB and BC. This is one activity type of sum. What we have to do is just fill up this blanks. What do we have? First statement, AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. It's given because they have shown that in the figure itself. Angle BAC is equal to angle ACB and they both are 45 degree because in a triangle total is 180 में से angle B ने ले लिया 90. 180 minus 90 90. 90 will be divided by two angles. How much will each angle become? 45 degree. So triangle ABC becomes a 45 45 90 triangle. So by 45 45 90 theorem, we have sides opposite to 45 degree is 1 upon root 2 of the hypotenuse. AB and BC is equal to 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse AC. Here also 1 upon root 2, AC ka value root 8. 1 upon root 2. Root 8 will become 2 root 2. How root 8 has become 2 root 2? We will factorize 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. दो 2 में से एक 2 बाहर आएगा. This 2 will remain in the root. Root 2 will cancel. The answer is 2 units. Sixth sum we have, find the side and the perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 10 centimeter. Now this is a very important sum. Quite often in board they ask this type of sum. We have a square ABCD where the diagonal AC is 10 centimeter. We have to find the side and the perimeter of the square. This sum can be done by two methods. One method I will show in this sum, and the other method I will tell you, I will show it in the problem set. Fine. By this method, what we will do is assume all the sides of the square as x centimeter, because in a square all the sides are equal. Now in right angle triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. X square plus x square is equal to 10 square. 2x square is equal to 100. X square is equal to 100 upon 2. 2 will come down. X square is equal to 50. Square will become square root 50. 50 will become 25 into 2, which will give us 5 root 2. 25 square root is 5. X value is 5 root 2 centimeter. So we found out side of the square as 5 root 2 centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter formula is 4 into side. Perimeter of square is 4 into side. 4 into 5 root 2, which will give you 20 root 2 centimeter. In the seventh sum we have angle DFE is equal to 90 degree. FG perpendicular to ED. GD is equal to 8. FG is equal to 12. We want to find out EG, FD and EF. So what we will do is, first of all, in this right angle triangle DFE, angle F is 90 degree. FG is perpendicular to ED. So by property of geometric mean, FG square is equal to EG into DG by property of geometric mean. In the place of FG will come 12. EG we have to find out. In the place of DG will come 8. 12 square 144. 8 will come down. 144 upon 8. So EG will become 18 units. EG has become 18 units. Now we have to find out FD. So in right angle triangle FGD, by Pythagoras theorem, FD square is equal to FG square plus GD square is equal to 12 square plus 8 square. 144 plus 64, 208. FD will become root 208. So FD will become, now we will have to factorize 208. 2 104, 252s, 226 are 213s are 13 1s are 2 into 2. ये दो 2 में से एक 2 लेंगे, ये दो 2 में से एक 2. 2 into 2, 4 root 13 units. So FD answer we have got 4 root 13 units. Now we have to find out EF. So in right angle triangle FGE by Pythagoras theorem, EF square is equal to EG square plus FG square. 18 square plus 12 square. 18 square 324 plus 144, which will give you 468. So EF will become root 468. So EF will become, get the answer of this. on your own. In the eighth sum, we have one rectangle ABCD. Length is given 35 centimeter and the breadth is given 12 centimeter. We have to find the diagonal. In right angle triangle ABC, first of all, in a rectangle, we know that all angles are 90 degree. So angle B is 90 degree, angle D is 90, angle C 90, angle A 90. All angles are 90. In right angle triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, 12 square plus 35 square, 144 plus 1225, 35 square 1225, 1369. If you add this, AC will become root 1369 and square root of 1369 is 37 centimeter. Diagonal AC is 37, so diagonal BD is also 37 because in a rectangle all the diagonals are equal. In the ninth sum, we have in triangle PRQ, angle R is 90 degree, M is the midpoint of QR. We have to prove PQ square is equal to 4PM square minus 3PR square. Let us assume PR as Y and assume RM and MQ as X. ये दोनों को Q X because they are equal. Why they are equal? Because M is the midpoint of RQ. Now in this figure, we have two right angle triangles. One is right angle triangle PRM and the other is right angle triangle PRQ. In right angle triangle PRM, let us apply Pythagoras theorem. PM square is equal to PR square plus RM square is equal to Y square plus X square. PR की जगह पर Y, RM की जगह पर X. Statement number 1. Now in right angle triangle PRQ, by Pythagoras theorem, PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square. In the place of PR will come Y. In the place of RQ is how much? 2x, x plus x, 2x, the whole square. So y square plus 4x square, statement number 2. Now we will take LHS. LHS is PQ square and PQ square value we have over here in statement number 2. Y square plus 4x square. LHS we have solved and we will name that as statement number 3. Now let us solve RHS. RHS we have 4PM square minus 3PR square. In the place of PM square, we will substitute statement number 1, which says PM square is equal to Y square plus X square. And here PR square की जगह पर लिख देते हैं Y square. Bracket open. 4y square plus 4x square minus 3y square. 4y square minus 3y square will give us y square plus 4x square, statement number 4. So LHS answer and RHS answer both are equal. So from 3 and 4 we get PQ square is equal to 4PM square minus 3PR square. In the 10th sum, we have walls of the two buildings on either side of the street are parallel to each other. AB and CD are representing the walls of the building. A ladder 5.8 meter long is placed such that its top reaches the window of one building at the height of 4 meter. AE is representing the ladder which is reaching the window of one building at the height of 4 meter. When this ladder is turned on the other side, it is reaching at the height of 4.2 meter. We want to find the width of the street. Length BC we have to find out. So what we will do is first we'll find out length BE, then we'll find out length EC, then add both. BE plus EC will give us BC. First of all, in right angle triangle ABE by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BE square is equal to AE square. 4 square plus BE square is equal to 5.8 square. 16 plus BE square is equal to 33.64. 5.8 square is 33.64. BE square 33.64 minus 16. So BE square will become 17.64. BE will become square root of 17.64, and which will become 17.64 square root is 4.2 meter. Length BE we found out 4.2 meter. Now we have to find out length EC. In right angle triangle DCE by Pythagoras theorem, DC square plus EC square is equal to DE square. 4.2 square plus EC square is equal to 5.8 square. Substituting the values. 4.2 square 17.64 plus EC square is equal to 33.64. EC square is equal to 33.64 minus 17.64. 17.64 will go on the other side. It will become minus. दोनों को माइनस किया तो मिलेगा 16. EC root 16, and therefore EC will become 4 meter. Now we have to find out length BC. BC is equal to BE plus EC. 4.2 plus 4, and that will become 8.2 meter. So the width of the street is 8.2 meter.